Friends, welcome back to my channel Interesting Collection. Thank you all for supporting me. Today I have beautiful cotton. This is actually fancy cotton sarees. Especially you can wear this for office, or if you're a teacher you can wear it throughout the day. It's very comfortable. Let me show you one by one the colors I have. The price of the saree is only 600 including shipping throughout India. So if you like any of these sarees, please take a screenshot and send it to me in WhatsApp. My number is 790-440-2529. This is the first saree, dark brown. So look at this. We have a nice shimmering here, and here's a golden line going throughout, actually horizontally. So this is the blouse portion. So this is the blouse portion, this part. Then this is the pallu portion. So it's a nice saree. You can take a screenshot like this. This is the other color, Leheriya pattern. Same, you can see the golden line here, very nice. So look at the zari weave. It's such a nice quality, very soft. This is the blouse piece. So if you like the saree, this is like brick. This is rust and brick red color mixed, actually. Very nice color. So take a screenshot like this if you like this saree. This is a nice dark green, olive green. So same concept here. You can see the parallel patch here, shimmering like. So this is the pallu portion and this is the blouse portion. So please take a screenshot like this. This is nice dark brown. So look at this closely. So this is the blouse portion. This is the pallu portion. So take a screenshot like this. This nice rust color, actually, but nice bright, not very dark or very nice color. So take a screenshot like this if you like this saree. This is the pallu portion and this is the blouse portion. This is the Leheriya pattern, nice olive green. Look at this closely with the golden lines and all. So same concept. This is the blouse portion. So take a screenshot if you like this. And this is the last one, nice violet color. So Leheriya pattern. This is the blouse portion. Share it with your friends if you like it. Thank you.